Hello everyone, let's go back to our study how to memorize histidine. H, I, S, or H. Okay, the way to draw the concept. NCC, draw around 3 carbon, make it double bond, and break it to be his. You give a nitrogen each side and make a carbon one. You can make this side double bond or this side double bond is fine. Make sure you add hydrogen at the side doesn't have a double bond, and that's all. The way to draw easy is NCC, break, C, double bond, go down, nitrogen. You can keep which one have a hydrogen is fine. Okay, if you give this one hydrogen 1, this one will be double bond. Got this one for histidine. And the way you break it down is how you doesn't forget about CH2 this one, and make sure you have a double bond this one. Okay, the next one is tryptophan W. The way to draw is like I tell you, NCC, break it to the right, you draw W, you can connect which one of it is fine, and the opposite of W is M, and the connect one to the W, it will be 5 connection, but the one doesn't have connect, it will be 6. Sorry, it isn't clear, but it will be carbon ring, and then down here is a double bond, and the outside here is will be N. Done. This one tryptophan. I'll draw for you to be clear. Draw NCC C, connect the one doesn't connect, it will be 5, we will keep N. The ones doesn't connect will be 6. Done. This one is W. Okay, the next one, tyrosine, TYR or Y. It will be the same with phenylalanine. You see the picture, this one, NCC, break it half, back to the right. If you draw like this, is phenylalanine, but for tyrosine, you just add OH. It's very similar. Okay, the next one, asparagine, ASN, N. The way to draw is NCC, go down, 2 carbon. The one connect to carbon is double bond with oxygen, and the next one will be NH2 connected. Okay, understand? Aspirin, N, 2 carbon, 1 is oxygen, 1 in H2. You have to be careful with aspartic acid, because this one ASP is D, but this one asparagine ASN is N. The difference, this one is pretty similar, is NCC, 2 carbon, the one side is double bond oxygen, but this one is single bond with oxygen negative. Let me give you different color, make you understand. This one is ASN, is N. This one ASP is D. Make sure you didn't misunderstand this one. ASN or amine. We have NH2, ASP, O negative charge. Okay, the next one, glutamine. The group will be different from aspirin a little bit. The glutamine is to be longer than asparagine. A little bit different. NCC, sorry, I need to draw. Aspirin, ASN, it have 2 carbon, right? But this one, 3 carbon, and you add NH2, and one is double bond. It's very similar. ASN, asparagine, have 2 carbon and connect. The one double bond with oxygen and one is amine, NH2. But glutamine is will be longer. You will have 3 carbon. It will be similar. You can see 2 carbon connect oxygen. Let me switch this way. 2 carbon. This 2 carbon connect O. This one 3 carbon connect O. That one is the same. Be careful this one. Okay, the similar one, glutamic acid, GLU glue. The same with this one. 3 carbon, oxygen. See? It's very similar, but just change this one. This one, glutamine, but this one, glutamic. It have similar 3 carbon, but only ASP have 2, ASN is have 2, GLNQ, GLUE. If you have the word N, it means NH2. You can see ASN, NH2. If it doesn't have, it should be oxygen. This one doesn't have oxygen. The difference only 2 carbon and 3 carbon only.